So over here, you can see that I have an Excel sheet and I got these names right here and the number. But let's say what I want is I want to remove the numbers before the name. So, but I don't know how to write a formula for it. That is where Kimi actually can help. So I'm just going to go around and say in Excel, I got a cell with 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot in the beginning of text. I want to remove them. Write a formula for it. The source text is in A1 right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and type that in. So I'm saying source text as A1 right here. And it says substitute the function. So you can see that it says 1, 2, 3 only right here. So I'm just going to go around and say I'm going to add in from remove all numbers from 1 to 10 right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead right here, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and give me the updated formula right here, just like this. You can see that it removed from 1 to 10. So let me just go ahead and copy this out right here. It's using the trim formula. So let's just go ahead and paste this, and then you can see that the number is removed. Simply click and drag it and everything will be removed. So you can see that I got first name and last name right here, and let's say I want another formula to remove first name and last name. So I'm going to say in B1 I got first name and last name. Write a formula to divide them into first name in one cell and last name in another cell. So just like this, I'm simply going to write everything in plain English, and it'll go ahead and give me a formula for it. So it says to split the first name and last name from single B1 to 2 separate cells. This is what you have right here. So it gave me 2 formulas. So let's just go ahead and copy this first formula out right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste this, and you can see that you got the first name. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy out the last name right here, just like this, and paste this out. And you got the last name right here. So let's just go ahead and then paste this out. So there is an error right here that's going on. So let's just go ahead on to right, copy this out right here. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and paste this out right here. So it says there is a problem because it's not working. So I can simply go ahead and say, like, let's say, for example, this formula isn't working right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then say that, and then it'll give me a correct code. So sometimes it does actually go ahead and then do an error. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this out. It gave a corrected code, as you can see. Let's just go ahead and there you go. So now you can pull this out, and then you got the first name and last name divided. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then generate out Excel sheet formulas inside of Kimi. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.